Alright guys, hey, one more surprise for you. Now that we're done with the VTX, right here, the background, we got another surprise for you that we're starting. This won't be as extreme build as the VTX. This will be a very minor build because this will be actually my road bike, the one that I travel with. So the addition to the family is right. Give you a peek. Alright, here's the addition. Give you guys a first look at it. Had it for a while. I've been running through it, fixing all little problems. So here's the visual. I de-baffled this for a friend a long time ago. So it sounds really good, just like this. So, bought this from a friend a while ago. It's been, I think it's a 2016. This was laid down a long time ago, considered a rebuilt salvage, I believe. But the damage that was done to it was not enough to be total. It was just structural support under here. As far as frame lineup, everything's perfect. I don't know how they total these things. Insurance doesn't want to do anything anymore. But that rear fender is wrapped. These bags aren't too bad. Tank isn't too bad. But the clear coat's coming off the factory paint. So you guys know I'm just going to do a simple paint job and probably black out everything that's chrome. So the only thing that's going to be difficult is researching how to cerakote those. I think I can cerakote them no problem with scuff and paint. And then I got a first plastic weld job right here. It goes all the way through. So I'm going to have the plastic weld and do some body work there. Audio wise, it already has a Stinger amp in it. I'm not fond of the 6.5s that are in here now. And then I'll probably just put one speaker in here, one speaker in there, and I'll show you what that will be. This will be my touring bike, and if my wife rides with me, that back seat is just perfect for her. It's one of the most comfortable riding bikes, and this thing maneuvers great. My VTX is like a bull trying to maneuver, but I also have a lot of weight on the VTX, but I still, even if it was stock for stock, this one would handle it better. Power-wise, the VTX still is king, but stock for stock, this one rides amazing. I'm very fond of it. Only has 20,000 miles on it. It's been in the making for a while as far as buying this one, so very happy with that purchase. Let me show you the trunk that it comes with. So I'm gonna be in the victory game now. Here's the detachable trunk, which it's being worked on right now. I think I'm gonna paint that first. No, I won't paint first. And of course, with all this junk, it's on top of the Road King that I have not touched yet, guys. I'm sorry, but victory is on deck next, because that's gonna be my riding bike and my winter bike as well. And of course, this one is just to show off my skill set. So here is Victory Cross Country 2016. Comes with apes already. I think I might tweak the handlebars a little bit or get new ones, because I would like to put them up like a hair higher. So we shall see, or I'll mail them to somebody and see if he can change the bezel on it, so the pullback is less. Or like the pullback would be like right here. So we'll see. Yeah, as you see, this is a red paint job now. Afterward, all the chrome was deleted with the black cerakote and some powder coat. I have a pair of 8-inch mids in the back. I believe they are Hertz. They are the SV200Ls, I believe. The color I painted it was considered reptile red. And then the front fairing, I only have a pair of 6.5 yellow baskets by Ground Zero and a pair of ST25 Hertz tweeters, and that's it, powered by the Stinger 700 watt amp by 4-channel. This is a victory. It has one pair of eights in each bag. And the difference.
Alright guys, had a pretty extensive list of things that I did. I changed the grips, I cerakoted everything that you saw previously that was chrome. I still have the front fork legs to do in Cerakote black, and the front wheel and front fender to a 21 eventually. The other things that I did was I gave the auto tuner by Cobra, as well as put in the new Barnes Marnet clutch, and everything else is kind of self-evident with the audio system. But the bike ride's great. It's got heated seats, heated hand grips. My maneuver's great. I give Victory an A+ 100. I think it's an amazing bike. It handles extremely well. I love this bike. I love the way it sounds. I love the way it rides. This is a knock at the park for me. So, ready for more Victory exclusive stuff on here, and give you guys information on that, and let you know what the next plans are for the Victory. But ask any questions, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Victory on deck.